Hello everyone. William Paul Thurston has correctly said, mathematics is not about numbers, equations, computations or algorithms. It is about understanding. So with this, in my previous video, I showed you how to convert from decimal to binary number. Now in this video, I'll show you how to convert from binary to decimal. So conversion of binary number to decimal number. So you need to first remember few things before starting. First, anything to the power of 0 is equal to 1. Suppose 2 to the power of 0 is equal to 1. Similarly, even 3 to the power of 0 is also equal to 1. And even 4 to the power of 0 is also equal to 1. And now you need to even remember that the powers 2 to the power of 0 is always equal to 1 and 2 to the power of 1 is equal to 2. Similarly, 2 to the power of 2 is equal to 4. 2 to the power of 3 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 3 times, that is 8. And then 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, that is 4 times multiplied 2, so that is 16. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, 4 times, so 2 to the is 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16. Like this you need to multiply. And then again 16 for this 2 to the power of 4 6 is 16. Now again multiplied by 2 is again 32, isn't it? So that becomes 2 to the power of 5. Again 32 times 2 is 64, that becomes 2 to the power of 6. Again 64 times 2 is how much? 128, so that becomes 2 to the power of 7. Again 128 times 2 is 256, so that's why it becomes 2 to the power of 8. And similarly 256 into 2 is how much? 512, that becomes 2 to the power of 9. And then 512 multiplied by 2 again is 1024, that is 2 to the power of 10. So if you remember this, memorize this, it will be quite easy for you to use these values while converting binary number to decimal number. So after that, now you need to even identify the corresponding place values. So how to identify the corresponding place values? Suppose I have taken one simple example. If you have 111, okay, so this is a binary number because it is composed of this digits 0 and 1. 0 is not there but 1 is there, so 1 1 1 1 to the base 2. So now here this is 1's place, this is 10's place, this is 100's place. So the digit in the 1 place will have 2 to the power of 0 place value, and the digit in 10's place it will have 2 to the power of 1 place value, and digits in this 100 place it will have 2 to the power of 2 place value. So it will go on increasing. If it is having even 1000 also, then it will have 2 to the power of 3, and similarly 10,000 it will be having the place value 2 to the power of 4. So like this it will keep on increasing. I have taken another one example, 1010. So here this 0 it is having the place value 2 to the power of 0, and then 1 it is having the place value 2 to the power of 1. 0 it is having the place value 2 to the power of 2, and then again 1 it is having the place value 2 to the power of 3. So like this it goes on increasing if there are more digits. So now after that, multiply the digits with corresponding place values and add them up. So now let's see an example regarding this. So for example, I have taken a very simple example over here, 10111, and this is a binary number. We need to convert into decimal number. Since the decimal number, the base is 10. So I have written over here the base 10. We need to calculate this. We need to find out this. So now first you will write the this binary number like this, and now you will identify the place values. So 1, this is in 1's place, so that's why its place value is 2 to the power of 0, and this again 1 is again this next one, it is in tens place, so that's why it is having the place value 2 to the power of 1. Again this one 2 to the power of 2, similarly it goes and increasing to the power of 3, and then 2 to the power of 4. Now you will multiply this with these digits with the place values and then add them up. This start from here, 1 into 2 to the power of 4 like this, plus 0 into 2 to the power of 3, and then again 1 into 2 to the power of 2, again 1 into 2 to the power of 1, again 1 into 2 to the power of 0. Like this you will multiply and then add them up. So now to the power of 4, I've already said you how to calculate. So 2 to the power of 4 is how much now? 16. So 0 into, you can directly write this as 0 also, you don't need to multiply this. And then 1 into 2 to the power of 2 is how much? 4. 1 into 2 raised to power 1 is 2, and then 1 into 2 raised to power 0 is anything to the power of 0 is 1. So that's why now it is 1 into 1. So now multiply this and then add them up, we get 23. And then now we can write, therefore this binary number 10111 to the base 2 can be written as 23 to the base 10 in decimal number system. So similarly, now next, what was my next question? This next question I have given you this 110 to the base 2 in the homework. So I have asked you to calculate this in decimal, convert this into decimal number. So now, like before in the example, you need to identify first the place values. So 0, it is having the place value of 2 to the power of 0, and this again 1, it is 2 to the power of 1. Again this here this 1 is 2 to the power of 2. And now multiply this with corresponding place values, 1 into 2 to the power of 2, plus again 1 into 2 to the power of 1, and then last one 0 into 2 to the power of 0. And now simplify them. 2 raised to power 2 is 4, so 1 into 4, and then over 2 raised to power 1 is how much? 2, so 1 into 2, plus 2 raised to power 0 is 1. Directly you can write 0 over here, because 0 multiplied by anything is always 0. And now add them up, you will get how much? 6. So now here, therefore your binary number 110 to the base 2 is equal to 6 in decimal number system to the base 10. So now next question, this 1100 to the base 2 is in decimal number, we need to convert. Now how will you convert? Similarly, like above, 1100 you will write like this, and then identify the place values. 0, it is having 2 raised to power 0, and then 0 again, this is in a tens place, so that's why 2 raised to power 1, and this again 2 raised to power 2 1, and this again 2 raised to power 3. So now multiply with the corresponding place values and then add them up. 1 into 2 raised to power 3, 1 into 2 raised to power 2, 0 into 2 raised to power 1, and then again last one 0 into 2 raised to power 0. And now simplify them. 2 raised to power 3 is 8, 2 raised to power 4 is 4, and this is 0, and this is also 0, so that's why I have directly written 0 over here. So now 8 plus 4 is how much? 12. And then now it is convert the binary number 1100 to the base 2 is converted into decimal number, and that is equivalent to 12. Now next, now here I have another question, 1101. Now to convert this, First we need to identify the place values like before. So 1 is in the place value of 2 raised to power 0, and this 0 in 2 raised to power 1, and this 1 is again in 2 raised to power 2, and this 1 is again 2 raised to power 3. And now multiply with corresponding this place values. 1 into 2 raised to power 3, 1 into 2 raised to power 2, and then 0 into 2 raised to power 1, and then 1 into 2 raised to power 0. And now simplify this. You will get 2 raised to power 3 is 8, so 8 into 1 is 8. 2 raised to power 2 is 4, so that is 4. 0 into anything is 0. And now this last one is 2 raised to power 0 is 1, so that's why 1 into 1 is 1. And now when you add this up, you will get 13. So now we can write, therefore, in binary number system 1101 can be written as 13 in decimal number system. So now next, this is D number 1111. So now we need to identify again the same process. We need to identify their place values. This one is in the place value of 2 raised to power 0, and this is in the place value of 2 raised to power 1, and this one is again in 2 raised to power 2. This last one is 2 raised to power 3. So now multiply with corresponding place values and then add them up. 1 into 2 raised to power 3, 1 into 2 raised to power 2, plus 1 into 2 raised to power 1, plus 1 into 2 raised to power 0. And now simplify them. 2 raised to power 3 is 8, 2 raised to power 2 is 4, 2 raised to power 1 is 2, 2 raised to power 0 is 1. And now 8 plus 4, now you can add them up, and then finally you will get 15. So now your binary number 1111 is equal to 15 in decimal number. Now next, 11011 to the base 2 is, we need to convert into decimal number. Same process like before. So first write down like this and identify their place values. 11011. So this one is having the place value of, always start from your right side, from right to left, so that you will get very correct. So never start from your left side, but start from your right side. You need to move from right to left, and you need to always while converting into binary number system, while converting from this binary to decimal, you need to always multiply by 2 raised to power its respective place value. So now this one, it is having the place value 2 raised to power 0, and then this one is having 2 raised to power 1, and this 0 is 2 raised to power 2, and this one is 2 raised to power 3, this one is again 2 raised to power 4. So now multiply like this again, same way, and then 1 into 2 raised to power 4 plus 1 into 2 raised to power 3 plus 0 into 2 raised to power 2 plus 1 into 2 raised to power 1 plus 1 into 2 raised to power 4. So now this is equal to, now how much? This 2 raised to power 4, I have already told you, this is 16, and then 2 raised to power 8 is how much? 2 raised to power 3 is how much? 8. So and this 0 multiplied by anything is 0 again. So 2 raised to power 1 is 2, so that's why here 2, and then 2 raised to power 0 is always 1, so that's why 1 into 1 is 1. So now add this up, you will get 27, and now you can write like this: 11011 in binary can be written as 27 in decimal. Now next, 10101. So now you will write like this and then identify the place values. This one is in place value 2 raised to power 0. This 0 is in place value 2 raised to power 1. This one is in place value 2 raised to power 2. Again this 0 is in place value 2 raised to power 3. Again this one is in the place value 2 raised to power 4. And now you need to multiply with the corresponding place values and then add them up like this and simplify. After simplifying you will finally get your answer 21, and in the you can write this as like this finally. So 1 0 1 0 1 and to the base 2 in the binary number system can be written as 21 in the decimal number system to the base 10.